What's up, drivers? Today I'm going to be swapping out the headlights here in my MR2 from the old halogens to some LEDs, which I've never had before, and I'm hoping to get some more powerful lights.
So the first thing you need to do is take out these two screws on either side of the headlight. This allows you to remove this black housing thing. You can take it completely off, but it can be difficult to do without scraping and bending a lot of things, so I'm just going to let it sit down here. Next, you have to remove two screws at the top of the headlight and two screws at the bottom. Be very careful not to let these fall because they can get trapped on the under trays. Ask me how I know. Take note that the top and bottom screws are not the same distance apart for when you have to put this back together. You'll need to put it right side up. The screws themselves should all be the same size. Now you are free to lift the headlight out and unplug it. Okay, here's a quick look at the LasFit LEDs that I went with. You got a manual, don't need that. Some stickers. To be honest, I'm a little concerned about clearance in the back, but we'll see how it goes. They have these fans in the back and external drivers for better heat management. Now, this might differ depending on your specific setup, but I have to loosen this screw to get this little spring clip out. Okay, so now I have it back with the new LED, and it's really fiddly work with small pieces, so I couldn't really show it on camera, but this is how it looks now with everything back together. I just need to plug this back in and coil things up in the back. This is the moment of truth. It looks like everything fits in okay, so I'm going to make sure it turns on. Then I'll just reverse the process I showed you earlier to put it all back together and do the same thing on the other side. So everything's all back together and working, and it's dark just in time to do a headlight test. Here's a comparison between the old lights and the new. Looks like I probably need to adjust them a little since I was messing with the headlights. Thanks for watching. Please give this video a like so other people can see it and it can help them, and leave a comment if you have any questions.